Hello and welcome. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in and slowly release. Let yourself settle into this moment. This is your time to simply be, to relax and to let go. Now, take another deep breath in, filling your lungs with air. And gently relax, letting all tension melt away as you breathe out. Slowly. Let's do it again. Breathe in. Hold for a moment. And breathe out slowly. As you continue to breathe deeply and naturally, begin to feel your body releasing any tightness. Let your shoulders drop, your jaw relax, your hands unclench. Allow the muscles in your face to soften. Feel the tension releasing from your neck, your back, your arms, and your legs. With each exhale, feel your body becoming lighter and more at ease. Now, bring your attention to the present moment. There is nothing else you need to do right now. Just breathe and be here. If thoughts come and go, that's okay. Simply acknowledge them and gently let them float away like clouds passing in the sky. Return your focus to the feeling of your breath, to the cool air as you inhale and the warm as you exhale. Feel a sense of calm spreading through your entire body. You are safe. You are at peace. As you continue to breathe deeply, let these words flow through you. I am calm. I am centered. I am here. I release what I cannot control. I am free to relax and simply be. I am at peace with myself and my surroundings. I am here in this moment, and all is well. Now, gently begin to bring awareness to the back of your body. Feel the surface beneath you supporting you. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. When you are ready, take a deep breath and slowly open your eyes. You are calm. You are present. You are ready to continue your day with peace and clarity. Thank you for sharing this moment of peace with me.